Hi everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. Listen up, I've got a really cool sketchbook for you. Delaney is representing the semesters of 2018 into 2019. She is the first student to agree to have her sketchbook filmed. I'm really excited for it. I've got 4 other sketchbooks on my iPhone that are going to go in the next few weeks here on YouTube. If you like Delaney's video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll talk to you soon. Be good. Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. I'm trying to get the background noise of the bag. Okay, Christine and Chris are walking out with the bag. Get that noisy bag out of here. All right, we have a new sketchbook. And Delaney, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm all right. And how is California?
It's doing good. It's hot.
It's
dry.
All right, awesome. So, how many sketchbooks did you draw this semester?
3.
3. All right, so let's get started flipping through your sketchbook because it's a long one. There's a lot going on. Now, what's your dream job?
Probably a concept artist or a character designer or like visual development.
Okay, cool. And what would you term your style of art? If you had to name your style of art, what would it be?
Chaos.
Chaos. I agree. Absolutely. Now, the thing that I love so much about Delaney's sketchbook is that it's extremely different. It's extremely different than my work, which is why I love it the most. I hate looking at the same style over and over again, and Delaney's work is so different and so chaotic that is like the most important part of it for me. How long does each page take you, Delaney?
It honestly depends. Like some of them I'll do like a couple doodles on a page and then I'll go back and like fill it in later. I kind of just go around, but probably in total like pages like these probably like 10 minutes.
10 minutes. So you're really quick.
Oh, these are all notes. Yeah. I just like to draw super fast.
Sure. And what is the marker type? Do you use all different types of markers?
I use everything. I like to use
Wow.
I like to use just like Crayola, or sometimes I use Copic, but I mostly use just random markers I find.
Wow. I mean, but again, like I call Delaney's sketchbook one big hot mess, and there was one, and I say that like in an extremely loving way. Like I just love Delaney's sketchbook, and it is one big hot mess, and that's the reason why I like it, because she's not worried about like being perfect. She's just putting this design down and making it happen, and all this stuff is coming out of her brain through her hands onto the paper, and it's just pretty phenomenal stuff. And this is coming from a guy that just loves academic style of drawing, but I like Delaney's style just as much as looking at an academic style of artwork that took like 100 hours. So the colors, are you just like putting this color down intuitively?
Yeah, I
I'll
just
see you guys.
when
June, say hello. Hi. Sunny. Hi, Sunny. Go ahead, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay. I just when I see pages without color, I just don't like it. I don't like that page because it doesn't have color. So I have to go back in when I just do sketches, and I just block in colors with everything.
Wow. I mean, would you ever consider doing a children's picture book?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, because I could see your work as a children's picture book, and if you came up with a story, and that is something that you can self-publish, I think it would be something really nice. Now push, yeah, that's great.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you.
So just push the sketchbook a little bit towards the center of the table. There you go, nice. So this is what I mean about chaotic. Now do you like the smaller sketchbooks?
Honestly, I used to do really, really big sketchbooks, giant ones. These pages are blank. I started using smaller ones recently, and I think I like it because I can fill more of the page, easier.
Yeah.
Rather than having to fill up a big one.
Now, question for you, watercolor?
Yes.
Good. So you're experimenting as well.
Yeah.
I love that. That is so good.
Thank you.
So would you say that most of the drawings in your sketchbook are life drawings or memory drawings or from photos?
Sometimes I do life drawings, but I honestly should probably do them more. I mostly just do stuff out of my head. Like all this is out of my head. That was like influencer, but mostly it's just like I just like draw characters and stuff out of my head.
Who's one of your role models that you really, really like?
Oh my gosh, that's a big question.
Well, a recent one, not your most favorite. Keep flipping.
Oh my gosh. I can't think for some reason.
Well, who has there been an artist that a teacher shared with you this semester in any of your classes that you're like, whoa, that person's really good?
Oh, the one you just showed us was really cool. The guy who does like the
Oh,
stuff.
James Jean.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I did think of one. There's this girl on Instagram. I think she's my age. Her username's of Angie.
Of Angie.
And I really like her stuff. I've been following her since I was like in middle school or something like that. So she's one of my like.
All right, well, we'll
artists.
check that out. Of Angie.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put your Instagram down below this video.
Yay.
Very cool. So you're mainly drawing out of, wow, you got, that page is so cool. Did you, would you ever consider doing what you do here on the sketchbook on, say, a big 5 by 6 foot canvas?
Oh yeah, I would love to. I just like going crazy. Like, I just want like a big piece of paper and like, I just want to go crazy.
Whoa. I mean, visually, it's just so interesting to look at these pages. I mean, you have purple next to orange. Do you plan that out, or does it happen just like intuitively?
It just happens. I probably should, but I just don't plan anything. I just go into everything. Even with like animations and stuff, I just kind of like.
Yeah, I think that's cool because it's what gives your work energy. Like sometimes, like someone like myself, I plan too much. And during the planning process, like it will sap the energy out of the piece. So it's really good that you are a little bit more spontaneous with all of this.
Yeah, I feel, because every time I like try and like do a sketch and then I try and line it, it just doesn't turn out right. So I just have to like go straight in with like pen or something.
I see.
I can't like plan.
And these are some life drawings from class.
Yeah, these are the 1 minutes that he just did.
Oh, that's from today.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I recognize it. Totally cool.
Thank you.
The shapes are really interesting.
Thank you.
And are you influenced at all? This is just me being me, so I apologize in advance. Are you influenced at all from things in California?
Yeah, probably like mostly the like ocean, I think, is something big in my life. But other than that, I was always like really obsessed with New York growing up. I was like, I want to move there so bad. So like it's kind of like a mix of like the ocean and also like big cities.
I see. So now that you've been here in New York for a semester, are you ready to go home to sunny California?
It's mostly the weather that's getting to me, because I love living here, but like going outside in a scarf and gloves is just
Awful.
a mess for
Yeah,
me.
it is. It's terrible. And so this is Col-Erase pencil.
Yes. Yeah.
So you've been experimenting a lot with a lot of different materials. That's ballpoint pen.
Yeah.
Oh wow, the orange Col-Erase is very cool.
Thank you. That page is messy.
Wow. So I think this thing that I've been doing art, I can't tell you how many years because I don't want to embarrass myself and age myself, but I've been doing art for many, many years. And what I get so much from your sketchbook is just how much passion you have and how you just crank this work out. It's just unbelievable, the energy that you have in this. And this is just one sketchbook. There was the other sketchbook that I used to make fun of that you dragged it
Oh,
behind the
yeah.
bus.
I brought the other two because I didn't know which one you wanted me to do.
Well, when we're done flipping through the sketchbook, I just want you to show the other sketchbook.
Okay, yeah, I'll get it.
We won't flip through it.
That,
we'll show
this
it.
one's actually falling apart too, but it's good.
It was so funny. It was almost like Delaney dragged the sketchbook behind the shuttle bus to come to class.
I really don't know how that happened. That was a mess.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Thank you.
Wow. So thick line, thin line on the same page. I love that. So these are some life drawings from today.
Yeah.
And you're going all traditional with the light and shade, which I adore. Very good. I'm glad that you're stepping out of your comfort zone. So when I look at this, what goes through your brain when you're doing those life drawings and you're trying to use some of the techniques that I teach? Like, is it so different than what you've been doing your whole life?
It's hard for me to because I'm so used to just like drawing what I'm thinking or feeling that like trying to take something from real life and like put it down accurately, like I struggle with like proportions and stuff like that. But one of the things that like really like helped me, I think, was like the C's, the opposite C's.
Yeah.
I like doing that a lot, but like proportions, I think I still struggle with.
Yeah, I mean, you've been drawing one way your whole life, pretty much out of your imagination, and this
Yeah.
is your first time drawing from life.
Yeah, because my high school classes, like we didn't ever do like figure drawing, life drawing, anything like that. So this is like my first.
Yeah, so I mean, that's a huge breakthrough for you. Even if you don't really enjoy doing that, I so appreciate you giving it a try and experimenting with the traditional way of drawing. But this chaos is you, and that's really, you just bring some of the skills that you've learned from me into your chaos, even if it's 5%.
That page example.
Wow. Okay, so we're getting down towards the end.
I think
That's last. Yep.
I think I did that one just before class ended.
Very nice.
And that was it.
Wow, very nice. Now, where are your other sketchbooks?
They're in my backpack.
Okay, so we're just gonna check out the sun coming through that blind, and you're gonna see people on deck ready to film. Dan, how are you? I got Dan Dancin. It's gonna be on YouTube forever. Okay, so it's held together by paper clips?
Yeah, this was my mess and the back cover fell off.
Oh my God, so can you flip to so you finished both of those already, so 3 sketchbooks in 15 weeks. Can you just go to the one of your favorite drawings in at least one of them?
Ooh,
and then we'll call it a sketchbook
I
video.
think one of my favorites was in the back of this one. I had like a page that I did that I really liked. This one. I like this
Wow.
one.
Hold on, I'm just gonna get as much
That's
of it.
okay.
And I'm gonna just come in a little closer. Yeah, that's really pretty.
Thank you.
And now let's just very quickly flip through the other one down on the bottom. And what is one of your favorite pages in there? Was this your second sketchbook?
Yeah, this is
Yep.
my second one. I like this one because I did a lot more like colors and stuff in it.
Oh my God, that looks so good too. Jesus.
This is one of the first pages I did in it. I like the colors.
So this is right after coming from California to New York.
Yeah.
September. So cool.
And I did, I don't know. I can't find anything in this.
I'm getting good vibes from it. 'Cause
I'm
it's
just gonna like.
Yeah, I love it.
I like that page too.
Do you guys see all the drawings Delaney did? Pretty cool. Do you like coffee, Delaney?
No, I like that page. I do not.
Okay, well, listen, I really do appreciate you sharing. We're going to post your social media right below the video. So, Delaney, thank you, and we'll see you in 3 weeks.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thanks for watching. Hey, thanks so much for watching. All of the links are in the description below. If you're looking for Delaney's Instagram, it's right below. If you're looking for my Instagram, it's right below. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.